42
42.
42.
زيارة المدينة.
City tour.
City tour.
هل يفتح السوق أيام الأحد؟
Is the market open on Sundays?
Is the market open on Sundays?
هل يفتح المعرض أيام الاثنين؟
Is the fair open on Mondays?
Is the fair open on Mondays?
هل يفتح المعرض أيام الثلاثاء؟
Is the exhibition open on Tuesdays?
Is the exhibition open on Tuesdays?
هل تفتح حديقة الحيوان أيام الأربعاء؟
Is the zoo open on Wednesdays?
Is the zoo open on Wednesdays?
هل يفتح المتحف أيام الخميس؟
Is the museum open on Thursdays?
Is the museum open on Thursdays?
هل يفتح الجاليري أيام الجمعة؟
Is the gallery open on Fridays?
Is the gallery open on Fridays?
هل يسمح بالتصوير؟
Can one take photographs?
Can one take photographs?
هل ينبغي دفع رسم دخول؟
Does one have to pay an entrance fee?
Does one have to pay an entrance fee?
كم يكلف رسم الدخول؟
How much is the entrance fee?
How much is the entrance fee?
هل يوجد تخفيض للمجموعات؟
Is there a discount for groups?
Is there a discount for groups?
هل يوجد تخفيض للأطفال؟
Is there a discount for children?
Is there a discount for children?
هل يوجد تخفيض للطلبة؟
Is there a discount for students?
Is there a discount for students?
ما هذا المبنى؟
What building is that?
What building is that?
كم عمر هذا المبنى؟
How old is the building?
How old is the building?
من بنى هذا المبنى؟
Who built the building?
Who built the building?
أنا مهتم بالهندسة المعمارية.
I'm interested in architecture.
I'm interested in architecture.
أنا مهتم بالفن.
I'm interested in art.
I'm interested in art.
أنا مهتم بالرسم.
I'm interested in paintings.
I'm interested in paintings.